Hello everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see a very quick, easy and delicious paneer recipe, and it's Paneer Khurchan. Best to enjoy with roti, naan, kulcha. So friends, let's get started with this interesting paneer recipe. And here I have taken 200 grams of paneer or cottage cheese, which has been cut lengthwise into this shape and size. Then next you will need one large onion cut into juliennes or long strips, one large tomato cut into juliennes, and one green capsicum or bell peppers cut into long strips like this. Next we'll heat a pan or tawa, and into it goes a tablespoon of oil, and when the oil is hot we'll add a teaspoon of sabut jeera or cumin seeds. We'll let this crackle for a while, and now into this goes the onion slices. And on medium flame we will saute the onions till they turn translucent. Next I am adding here 2 green chillies cut into small portions. Then goes the capsicum as well as the tomato strips. And now on medium flame we will saute them for few seconds as we want to retain their crunch. And now we'll quickly season the veggies with some salt as per taste, a pinch of turmeric or haldi powder, 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander or dhaniya powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, and some crushed kasoori methi leaves. We will now mix all these spices well along with the veggies so that they are well combined, but do not overcook the veggies. And now time to add the paneer or cottage cheese strips, and very gently and carefully we will mix the paneer strips along with the veggies so that they can absorb the flavors of the spices. And by now our veggie and paneer base is ready, sauteed well with the spices. Next, in a separate pan we will add a tablespoon of oil, and when the oil is hot we will add 2 tablespoons of minced onion, ginger, garlic. And on medium flame we will saute them well for 2 minutes or until they turn golden brown in color. I'll be adding around 2 tablespoons of thick tomato puree. I'm using here ready-made tomato puree. We'll saute them for 1 to 2 minutes. I'll add now some salt to season our tomato and onion base. Give this a mix. We will add now a splash of water to form a thick gravy-like consistency. We'll mix this once. And now we will cover and let the gravy simmer on medium flame for just 2 minutes. After about 2 minutes, we'll remove the lid and we'll get a lovely thick and red gravy ready. And now time to add our sauteed veggies and paneer into this gravy. And very gently we will mix them so that they are well combined with the gravy. Keep the flame on medium. And now we will let them simmer in the gravy for just 1 to 2 minutes so that all the flavors are well absorbed. And friends, our Paneer Khurchan is now ready to be served hot. And here goes our quick, easy and delicious Paneer Khurchan into the serving plate. So friends, I hope you'll try this interesting paneer recipe soon. Also share your feedbacks and do subscribe to my channel for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.